Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video, and in this video we'll be showing you how you can make money from selling your hair. This is for men and women with suitably long hair, and you can sell it to a wide range of potential buyers. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell of any new videos that I do. Normally about 2 or 3 videos a week, all about making money online, making money strategies and making money systems. So hair loss is like the common cold. It has no cure, so people who suffer from hair loss have a choice of treatments available, like toupees and wigs, and having natural hair woven into their own hair to make it look completely natural. And so the only way you can do that is to actually use human hair. Now your hair doesn't obviously have to be as long as this lady's here, which is how long is this? 5.5 meters long. But yeah, it's nothing new with people using natural hair for things. If you can think of the actual Victorian dolls, they used to use human hair. But your hair must be in first class condition, not suffered from heat from hair dryers and straighteners or curling tongues, and not being highlighted or dyed, just natural flowing hair that can be used to make various things like these dolls here and human wigs and college mannequins. If you're studying hairdressing at college, you would naturally use a mannequin just like this, and this is 100% human hair. So it's a massive market all over the world for human hair. You can see here how wigs are made. It's quite incredible, really, the actual work that goes into these, where they get out all the tangles first, and then they actually start weaving it, which are then sewn onto the sides and the back of the wig cap. So you can see how natural they look, isn't it? It's amazing, really.
This is what makes the wigs look realistic. Small strands of hair are pulled through the cap with a hook, one by one. This is an
So you can see how much work goes into making these wigs, and they're quite expensive. So how can you sell your hair if you've got long hair and you're thinking of having it cut? You fancy something shorter, and it all depends on your actual colour of your hair, because unusual colours are always high in demand, and you can sell your hair directly, or if you think it has special value, I think everybody who has long hair thinks it's of special value, then you can sell it privately. So this website is custom made wigs, and it just gives you an idea of what they're looking for and what they pay. This is pounds sterling. They pay between £3 and £7 for every 25 grams of hair. You can see how they actually get out all the tangles and everything. And this is how they would like you to cut your hair. You would obviously cut it tightly with elastic bands, very, very tight, and then cut it approximately, it looks like about 5 or 6 centimeters from the elastic band. But I'll recommend that you don't actually cut it until you've agreed who's going to buy it. And there's a obviously guide here. 16 to 18 inches is £50 to £150, and 19 inches above is £60 to £200. So round about, probably near about $300 there. You can sell your hair on buyandsellhair.com. And if you look at the categories, let's have a look at 25 to 30 inches long. You can place an ad on these websites like this one here. It's quite a Kashmir Cambodian. He's selling a wig. Woman's natural blonde hair. There you go. So before they actually cut it, they will actually sell it. So she's asking $850, $800. Somebody from India. Copper gold chestnut. That's quite unusual hair. And now obviously they're asking $1,000 for that. And even child's hair, asking $250 for that. Another website is called HairCellcom. People are advertising on here, so you take a photograph of your own hair and obviously measure it. $500, but it's got to be in very good condition. The hair, you can see how they look for different. You can refine the results here: the hair color, the actual gender, hair ethnicity. If I can say that correctly. Texture type: straight, wavy, curly, kinky. And you can hair to be cut by a professional hair salon. You can choose that, or the buyer can cut, or it's already cut. You've already cut it already, and obviously your country. You see here a guy here. He's got long hair, and he's happily wants to sell his 20.5-inch long hair for around $300. You see how it's actually sold in the past, so you can get a guide on the actual value of your hair should you want to sell it. This is another website, online hair affair, and you can see the ads pricing. Not very expensive to place an ad on these websites. So $12 for a month, $15 for 6 months, and $20 for 1 year. So it's when you consider you might be selling your hair between $500 and $800, it's only going to cost you $20 to advertise it for a year. And if your hair is unusual, it'll probably be sold straight away. And the last one is worldofwigs.com. They will buy your hair direct. So it says to wash and condition your hair. Make sure it's completely dry. Do not send damp hair. Rubber band your hair into tight ponytails like I showed you on the other website. Cut your hair approximately it looks like 2 inches above the rubber band, and put hair in a 1-gallon baggie. And then you send it to them in Santa Ana in California. We currently have a surplus of shorter hair. I will only be accepting hair that is 18 inches or longer right now, and they pay between $3 and $5 per ounce. You can actually, if you've got long hair, you can actually weigh your hair on some reasonably good scales. But I would, before you send off your hair, you want to basically find out exactly what it's worth before you send it off, because once you've cut it, that is the end of that. So there you go. That's another way of making money. You can make money online by selling your hair and just placing ads on these online websites. I'll list all these websites in the description below. And if you've got long hair and you fancy a change in style, then why not make some money at the same time? So there you go. That's another quick video of making money online. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for your time. If you want to make some serious money online with high-ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do, then please, I've done an actual free course for you to take. It's only 90 minutes long, about 4 videos on high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can earn over $1,000 commissions promoting high-ticket affiliate products and services. I've been doing this now for over 20 years, so I basically do that most of my time. But if you're interested in that, you're very welcome to join me with this free course, which you'll find in the description below. But in the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to this new channel about making money online, and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of new videos that I'll be doing, about 2 or 3 a week. So thank you again for your time, and if you want to say goodbye to your hair, then you can make some money actually doing just that. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next money making video. This is Mark Anthony, and goodbye from me.